Do you think all Ford pickup trucks are built tough? Think again. Ford has had its share of legendary models, no doubt about that. But among the reliable workhorses, there have also been some mechanical nightmares that could totally ruin your day if you happen to buy the wrong one. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the 10 worst Ford pickups when it comes to reliability models that many people are still mistakenly spending money on. And trust me, the truck at the top of the list will seriously shock you. While you're watching, if you've ever owned one of these or are thinking about buying a used one, don't hesitate to drop a comment. Let's help each other avoid the traps in the pickup truck world. Number 10, 2005 Ford F-150. In 2005, Ford hoped to fix the problems of the 2004 F-150. But instead, they just introduced more problems. One of the most notorious issues with the 2005 F-150 was spark plug failure. Unlike the 2004 model, the 2005 version suffered from spark plugs snapping off inside the engine, making it impossible to replace them without an expensive and time-consuming repair. And if that wasn't frustrating enough, these trucks also had problems with the 4-speed automatic transmission, which often experienced slipping gears, erratic shifting, and complete transmission failure, all well before 100,000 miles. In addition to transmission issues, the 2005 F-150 was known for electrical problems that ranged from failing power windows to random electrical shorts. Some owners also reported that their trucks would shut off randomly while driving, putting them in dangerous situations on the road. Ford issued multiple recalls for the 2005 F-150, but the reliability issues continued to plague its owners. So while the 2005 F-150 was still popular on the market, it was one of those trucks that became a repair nightmare, with some owners having to spend thousands of dollars on repairs just to keep the truck running. Number 9, 2010 Ford Ranger. The 2010 Ford Ranger was Ford's small and mighty work truck, but it turned out to be anything but reliable. The most common problem with this truck was rust, particularly on the frame. Ford failed to properly treat the frame for corrosion, and as a result, many trucks started to experience severe rust issues, especially in areas with wet conditions or snow. Owners reported that the rust caused the frame to weaken, and in some extreme cases, the frame literally split apart. But rust wasn't the only issue. The 2010 Ranger was equipped with a 4.0L V6 engine that had a known problem with its timing chain tensioner. Over time, these tensioners would fail, causing the timing chain to skip and potentially leading to serious engine damage. In many cases, the truck's engine was completely ruined, with owners left to pay for expensive engine repairs or full replacements. Electrical issues were also common in the 2010 Ranger. Power windows, door locks, and other electrical components would fail without warning, leaving owners stranded or in need of costly fixes. For those who owned a 2010 Ford Ranger, the truck felt more like a money pit than a dependable workhorse. Number 8, 2011 Ford F-250 Super Duty. The 2011 Ford F-250 Super Duty was supposed to be a heavy-duty beast, but instead, it became a mechanical disaster for many owners. This truck was equipped with the 6.7L Power-Stroke diesel engine, which was plagued by a series of problems that made it one of the least reliable trucks Ford ever produced. The most notorious of these issues was the turbocharger, which had a habit of failing and causing huge engine damage. When the turbo failed, it would send metal debris through the engine, leading to costly repairs. Another major problem with the 2011 F-250 was its high-pressure fuel pump, which was prone to failure. When it broke down, it would cause fuel contamination, which could lead to severe engine issues. Repairing or replacing the fuel system components could set owners back a small fortune, sometimes upwards of $10,000. Lastly, this truck had major issues with its exhaust gas recirculation EGR cooler and diesel exhaust fluid DEF system. These components were prone to failure, leading to engine power loss, reduced fuel efficiency, and constant warning lights on the dashboard. Overall, the 2011 F-250 Super Duty was a ticking time bomb, and many owners found themselves in repair hell after purchasing it. Number 7. 2008 Ford F350 Super Duty. The 2008 Ford F350 Super Duty is a truck that can quickly turn into a money pit, especially if bought used. Equipped with a 6.4L Power-stroke diesel engine, this truck suffered from major reliability issues. The most common problem was a leaking radiator, which often caused the engine to overheat. Replacing the radiator became a frequent repair, but that was just the beginning. The fuel injectors were another weak point, failing well before 100,000 miles. A failed injector could cause fuel to spill into the cylinder, leading to engine misfires and potential failure. Repairing these injectors was costly, and many owners faced repeated failures, leaving their trucks out of service for weeks. Perhaps the worst flaw was the difficulty of engine repairs. To access many parts, the entire cab had to be removed, turning simple repairs into expensive, labor-intensive jobs. For owners of the 2008 F350, it was clear that this truck was more of a financial burden than a reliable workhorse. Number 6. 2014 Ford F150. The 2014 Ford F150 promised better towing and hauling capacity, but instead, it delivered a truckload of issues, especially with its transmission. The 6-speed automatic transmission in this truck was notorious for shuddering, slipping, and failing at low mileage, often within the first 50,000 miles. The issue was especially bad when owners tried to shift gears while towing, leading to unpredictable engine behavior and loss of power. In extreme cases, the truck would stop shifting altogether, leaving owners stranded on the road. But that wasn't all. The 2014 F150 also had major issues with its front-end suspension system, particularly the ball joints. These would wear out prematurely, causing loud clunking noises and affecting overall steering performance. In addition to suspension issues, the rear axles were also prone to braking, which could cause a major loss of control. Repairing the transmission and suspension issues on the 2014 F150 often required expensive parts and labor, and in some cases, the costs exceeded the truck's resale value. For many owners, it became clear that the 2014 F150 wasn't built to last, and its long-term reliability left a lot to be desired. Number 5. 2003 Ford F250 Super Duty. The 2003 Ford F250 Super Duty was marketed as a durable workhorse, but it quickly proved to be unreliable. The 6.0L Power-stroke diesel engine became infamous for cracked cylinder heads, leading to catastrophic engine failures and costly repairs. Coolant leaks and head gasket failures resulted in loss of compression and severe engine damage, often within the first 100,000 miles. The EGR cooler was another weak point, frequently failing and causing coolant leaks that led to overheating and further engine damage. The oil cooler was also prone to clogging, reducing oil pressure and causing additional engine wear. Repairing the 6.0L engine often required expensive overhauls. Transmission issues were also common, with slipping gears, rough shifting, and in some cases, complete failure. The truck wasn't just problematic in the engine and transmission. Issues with the suspension and electrical system also made it a constant struggle to maintain. For many owners, the 2003 F250 became an expensive headache, with repair bills often surpassing the truck's value. Number 4. 2006 Ford F150. The 2006 Ford F150 may have looked like the perfect pickup, but it came with major transmission issues that left many owners frustrated. The 4-speed automatic transmission in this model was known for rough shifting, slipping gears, and overall poor performance. Some drivers experienced transmission failures before reaching 100,000 miles, making it a nightmare for anyone looking for long-term reliability. In addition to transmission problems, the 2006 F150 had issues with its ignition system. The ignition coils would fail prematurely, causing the truck to misfire, and in some cases, leaving it unable to start. Owners were often faced with the cost of replacing these coils regularly, which quickly added up. This issue was compounded by the fuel system, which was prone to clogged fuel injectors and fuel pump failures, both of which are expensive fixes. The truck also had significant brake system problems. Many owners reported premature brake pad wear and unresponsive brakes, creating safety concerns. With so many issues piling up, the 2006 Ford F-150 quickly became a reliability headache, and it's a model that you'll want to avoid if you're looking for a dependable used truck. Number 3. 2015 Ford F-150. The 2015 Ford F-150 took a bold step by using aluminum in its body to improve fuel efficiency. But this change came with reliability issues. The aluminum panels were easily damaged in collisions, leading to costly repairs. Even minor accidents could result in dents and scratches that were difficult to fix, making it less durable than its predecessors. The truck's 3.5L EcoBoost engine was another major problem. Although it promised better fuel efficiency, many owners reported turbocharger failures and excessive oil consumption. The engine would consume oil at an alarming rate, causing engine damage and misfires. Fuel injection problems made things worse, leading to rough idling, poor acceleration, and a lack of power. Despite some improvements, the 2015 F-150's new technology, like the sync system, was prone to glitches and malfunctions. These technical issues left owners frustrated with a truck that was supposed to be the future of Ford's lineup, but ended up causing more headaches than it was worth due to costly repairs and persistent problems. Number 2. 2007 Ford F-150. The 2007 Ford F-150 is a truck that had the potential to be one of the best, but it ultimately fell short due to reliability issues. One of the most significant problems with the 2007 F-150 was its cam phasers, which would often fail, leading to engine rattling, rough idling, and even complete engine failure. This problem was especially common in trucks with the 5.4L Triton V8 engine, which had a reputation for failing before reaching 100 miles. In addition to the engine problems, the 2007 F-150 suffered from steering and suspension issues. Owners frequently reported problems with the power steering pump, which would fail, leaving the steering feeling stiff and unresponsive. The front suspension also wore out prematurely, leading to bumpy rides, poor handling, and increased tire wear. These issues were often linked to defective components that were difficult and expensive to replace. Owners of the 2007 F-150 also experienced electrical issues, including faulty wiring, failing sensors, and malfunctioning airbags. These electrical problems could leave drivers stranded or unable to use essential features of the truck, making it a frustrating and unreliable vehicle. Despite its popularity, the 2007 F-150's reliability issues were hard to ignore, and it earned a place on this list due to its numerous flaws. Number 1. 2004 Ford F-250 Super Duty. This truck may have looked like a powerhouse, but it was plagued by so many issues that it became one of the worst Ford pickups for reliability. The most notorious problem with this truck was its 6.0L Power-Stroke diesel engine, which was known for head gasket failures, cooling leaks, and turbocharger issues. These failures led to major engine damage, sometimes resulting in the need for a complete engine rebuild or replacement. Another major flaw with the 2004 F-250 was its transmission. Owners often reported slipping, hard shifting, and complete transmission failures, all of which came with hefty repair bills. This was compounded by issues with the EGR system, which failed regularly and caused engine overheating and power loss. Many owners found themselves dealing with expensive repairs that didn't seem to fix the truck for good. But the worst part? The 2004 F-250 was a truck that you could never really trust. It had so many mechanical issues that it became a constant money pit for owners. Even after repairs, the truck would often develop new problems, and many owners ended up selling them for far less than they were worth just to get rid of the headache. So there you have it, the 10 least reliable Ford pickups, the kind of trucks that can burn through your wallet faster than summer gas prices. If you're in the market for a used truck, here's the takeaway. Do your homework. Dig into the repair history, thoroughly inspect the engine, transmission, and electrical systems, and don't get hypnotized by a muscular exterior. Because sometimes, behind that tough-looking truck is a repair bill thick enough to be a novel.